Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I will be showing you what's in my fridge. I'll be showing you what all I have and why I have it. So let's get started. Ta-da! So this is what my fridge looks like. Oh, कर लो मैं. So my fridge doesn't have a lot of stuff because it's my personal fridge and only I use it. My parents live downstairs and they have a separate fridge which is a typical desi fridge which is completely disorganized and messy and उसमें आटा और दाल पड़ी हुई होती है and दूर दूर तक aesthetic नहीं होता. Since only I use this, it's a bit minimal. So first we have the drink section. I love having lots of different options to choose from. First we have this cold brew by Blue Tokai. I usually like hot coffee, but whenever I'm craving a cold coffee, I always use this. Then we have Coke Zero. I don't drink it regularly. Whenever I'm craving something frizzy, then I go for it. Then we have sparkling water. In summers it tastes great with a little bit of lemon and a piece of mint. Take these out as well. I'm just going to close this for a bit. Next I have the zero sugar kombucha. I heard so much about kombucha, how great it is for your gut, how rich in antioxidant it is. So I had to give it a try. This is basically a bubbly antioxidant rich drink made by fermenting sweetened tea. So it's great for your gut and has lots of health benefits. These are two different flavors. This one is exotic peach and this one is cranberry. If you haven't tried it, then you need to try these. Just gonna put these back. For protein, I have lots of Greek yogurt, dahi, tofu and paneer. I'm a vegetarian, so I need to have these in my fridge at all times. Next we have our favorite cheese. Cheese is a great source of good fats, so you can always have a little bit with your meals. I have mozzarella, feta and parmesan. I use this one for my sandwiches sometimes, this one for salads, and parmesan on top of anything and everything. Then I have coconut cream and oat milk. I don't use these regularly, but these are good to have for chia pudding and smoothies. Then I have lots of veggies and fruits for fiber. Lots of experts and nutritionists talk about eating the rainbow. It means eating lots of different colored fruits and veggies to get the maximum health benefits. Let's see what all I have in here. I have broccoli, bell peppers, avocado, and what else? Mushroom, cherry tomatoes, and basil. I also have a nariyal for nariyal pani. I'm going to drink it up after I'm done with this video. I'm going to put a little bit of lemon in it and it's going to taste so divine. Again, it's great for our health, great health benefits, antioxidants, electrolytes, good stuff. I also have lots of blueberries and strawberries. I have them almost every day with my breakfast. They are great for antioxidants. Blueberries are usually expensive, but my mom gets these from the Azadpur wholesale market. If you want some fruits and veggies at a good price, you have to check it out. The prices are almost 1/3. Moving on to the side, first I have some chocolates. Obviously a girl needs to have her chocolates. All of these are sugar-free and are sweetened with stevia or some other kind of sweetener. I like to have a piece after dinner for dessert. First I have this Belgian dark chocolate. Then I have this stevia sweetened hazelnut chocolate. Then I have these peanut butter chocolates. Next I have a box of sprouts. I get these from Blinkit or Zepto. Again, a great healthy option, super nutritious and full of protein. I usually make these by steaming them up and adding lots of veggies like tomatoes, cucumber, onion, and adding lots of spices and lemon. Next I have my pesto. One is basil seed pesto and one is sun-dried tomato pesto. I love both of these. They bring such good Italian flavors to the food. I used this one on a toast in the earlier video and it tasted super good. I sometimes saute veggies in it because sauteed veggies can get boring, but these they add lots of flavor. Then I have some condiments over here. I have Tabasco, ketchup, vinegar, soy sauce and some olives. Then I have some milk. I have been using this A2 cow milk by Country Delight. Earlier I was avoiding milk because it wasn't suiting well with my stomach, but then I got to know that the A2 cow milk, which comes from our desi Indian breeds, is the best for us. A2 milk suits us a lot better than the other milk because this has a protein which is easily digestible by our body. If you're lactose intolerant and the normal Amul milk is not suiting well with you, then give this a try. It might suit you better. Next, I have this chia pudding. It's getting ready for tomorrow. I just added water, chia seeds, and protein powder in it, and I'm going to enjoy it tomorrow with some fruits. Moving on to the freezer now. Don't have a lot in here, just few ice creams. Obviously, I love ice cream, and whenever I'm craving ice cream, I always reach out for these ones because they again don't have any sugar in it and they taste absolutely amazing. First, I have this Brooklyn Creamery ice cream. Obviously, I need to have the basic vanilla. I take 2 scoops of this vanilla, add some strawberries and some chocolate, and it tastes so good. Next, I have this Getaway ice cream sandwich. I remember I used to love ice cream sandwiches as a kid, and when I saw this and it said it's sugar free and it has very few calories, I was like, let me get one of these ASAP. Next is this hazelnut bar. It tastes like Nutella. Super yummy and only has like 135 calories, no sugar. All these 3 brands, they do great products. You should check them out. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.